Welcome to the Ult1Mate Next Gen Towbar installation video for the Ford Ranger tray top. The installation times for a professional fitter and beginner fitter are shown on screen. These are the parts that come with the towbar. These are the tools required for the installation of the towbar. We begin the installation by installing the side plates to the chassis rails. Familiarise yourself with the 5 chassis mounting holes each side, which will be used to secure the side plates in place. Position the side plate over the outside of the chassis rails, with the mounting holes aligned. Loosely secure the side plate to the chassis rail through the rearmost and forwardmost hole using the number 4 bolts. Repeat on the other side. Lift the main bar and lock it into the side plates. Screw in 3 number 4 bolts connecting the side plates to the main bar and add number 5 nuts. Repeat on the other side. At the midpoint of the bolt assembly's wire, cut the wire. Feed a bolt assembly down the inside of the chassis rail and through the forward horizontal mounting hole. Place a number 4 bolt through the rearmost horizontal mounting hole. Secure the bolts in place with number 5 nuts. Screw in a number 4 bolt into the remaining side plate hole and add a number 5 nut to secure in place. Torque the nuts and bolts using a calibrated torque wrench to the recommended torque level on screen. Tighten the nuts connecting the underside of the side plate to the chassis rail. Tighten the bolts connecting the side plate to the chassis rail. Torque the nuts to the recommended torque level on screen. Repeat on the other side. Torque the bolts to the recommended torque level on screen. Repeat on the other side. Affix the towbar information label in a conspicuous location on the inner panel of the driver's door opening. You have now finished installing the Ult1Mate Next Gen Towbar for the Ford Ranger tray top. Enjoy your towing.